James Webb Space Telescope will be the first to observe a star in the Great Bear constellation similar to the Sun. The James Webb Telescope reached its final orbit on January 24. When the 18-part main section is completed, the James Webb Telescope is expected to begin capturing previously unseen views from distant galaxies. NASA has announced on its official Twitter account that it is observing the star HD 84406, 260 light-years from Earth, through the James Webb Telescope. Once the focus of the telescope is fully established, it is difficult to observe this bright star. However, researchers believe that it is a star that can transmit basic information and ensure that parts of the telescope are fully functional. The James Webb Space Telescope is a $10 billion project. In addition to NASA, the European Space Agency and the Canadian Space Agency are collaborating. The James Webb Space Telescope observes a star that is invisible to the naked eye but can be observed with binoculars. The James Webb Telescope uses 18 parts to take different, non-focused images. The James Webb Space Telescope can adjust the focus by adjusting the higher size to 1/10 of an inch. The Space Telescope mirrors will take a few months to complete for the first time. HD 84406 is a star 4.4 times the size of the Sun. This star has a lower temperature than the Sun, but is brighter. The surface temperature of the HD 84406 is 8560 Fahrenheit and that of the Sun is 9940 Fahrenheit. But the star is 11 times brighter than the Sun. HD 84406 is thought to be another red dwarf twin. It is about the size of the Sun and is about 3 billion years old. Pictures of the HD 84406 copied by James Webb are expected to be released in June. The James Webb Telescope is said to be the successor to the Hubble Space Telescope. The James Webb Space Telescope will be able to take clear images of even objects 9 times brighter than Hubble.